Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Bell, and you all know in this channel we're growing our hair using the ancient African method. So I'm going to be doing another 3 months of mini braids, guys. You can see how fuller, thicker, sweet my hair is looking. So what I'm doing is just to put them in three section. Let's just 6 section and let's get started. So yeah, I decided to do 1 mini braid and 1 mini twist because I was feeling like, let me try mini twist on my hair and see how beautiful it comes out, and it sure did came out beautiful. At this point I was now doubting, should I try mini twist for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months, or should I go with my mini braid? And seriously, I was just admiring how beautiful my hair looks on mini twist, guys. I'm really tempted to do twists. Like, twists are beautiful. So I'm just thinking, and I think I finally made up my mind, and I'm still this is just me admiring my mini braid and my mini twist, and how beautiful and how wonderful my hair is growing without stress, guys. No stress at all. Yeah, finally I decided to stick to my braids, and you can see how beautiful they are. You can just see how beautiful my hair actually turns out to be. I decided to make the middle a lot bigger than the front. The middle and the back are more larger in size than the front. I just want something that I can easily manipulate, I can easily install, and I can easily take down. And for me, this size of mini braids are the best option for my thick full hair, babies. So yeah, I use aloe vera when I was done taking down my hair. I use aloe vera as a detangler. So aloe vera is a very good option for detangling strong hair like us. So, and I used it. My aloe vera was little, so the back was more detangled than the middle and the front. So next time I'll have a larger quantity of aloe vera, so you can input that into your routine. After leaving your hair for 3 months, 4 months, you can use aloe vera to detangle your hair. And also I also use my shea butter. Finally, I'm done. It took me 1 night to install these. I think 5 hours. Yeah, so finally we're done. I was thinking the size of mini braid will not bring out my hair length, but you can see my hair is growing, and I'm so happy. The length of my hair has increased. It's fuller, it's thicker, it's longer. Though micro braids gives you the actual length of your hair, but I'm just gonna be patient with this. So I'm leaving this hair for 3 months, and I'll be taking them down.